Here's a shocking twist in the hurricane saga. A massive storm is barreling toward the East Coast, and experts warn it's not just about wind and rain. Hurricane Erin, now a Category 4 monster, is rewriting the rules of what we expect from offshore hurricanes. But here's where it gets controversial. What if the real danger isn't the storm itself, but the complacency people feel when it's just a few hundred miles away? Let's unpack this step by step. Erin's journey began as a tropical storm, but escalated rapidly. By Monday, it had maxed out at 130 miles per hour winds, with a sprawling system stretching over dangerous surf, rip currents, and coastal flooding are on the menu, and the Outer Banks are in the crosshairs. But this is the part most people miss. Even hurricanes that stay offshore can be deadly. Erin's waves, already peaking at 18 feet near the Bahamas, are set to batter Florida's shores with 7-foot breakers by Tuesday. The National Weather Service warns of flash floods, eroded beaches, and swamped parking lots. And let's not forget the invisible killer, rip currents. As Hurricane Center Director Michael Brennan put it, the ocean might look calm, but lurking beneath is a life-threatening trap. The Outer Banks, a chain of low-lying barrier islands, is already in panic mode. Mandatory evacuations are in effect, with Highway 12, a lifeline for residents, threatened by 2 to 4 feet of storm surge. Jeff Dawson, owner of a local eatery, described the surreal scene. Tourists were upset about cut-short vacations, but now the island's empty. We've gone from packed to deserted overnight, yet not everyone is fleeing. Some residents, like Angela Tawes of Connor's Supermarket, remain unfazed, citing the deceptive calm. The sky is blue, the air is still. It's hard to believe a storm is coming. But the science tells another story. Erin's size is historic. It's already in the 80th percentile for major hurricanes of the past 2 decades, and it's expected to grow. Think Hurricane Sandy, 1,100-mile wind field, or Floyd, 580 miles. And this is the part that sparks debate. Since 2016, 11 Category 5 hurricanes have formed in the Atlantic, more than in any 9-year span on record. Is this a fluke or a sign of a warming climate? Michael Ferragamo, a hurricane researcher, says the data doesn't lie. We're seeing intensification rates that defy expectations, he argues. What do you think? Is climate change fueling these superstorms, or are we just getting better at tracking them? Share your take in the comments. Meanwhile, the real-world impacts are here. In Puerto Rico and the U.S. Virgin Islands, Erin's rain bands triggered outages for 150,000 residents, though most power was restored quickly. Further north, Florida's Jacksonville beaches are preparing for 5 to 8 foot waves, while North Carolina's Outer Banks face the brunt of the surge. Brennan's warning is clear. This isn't just a storm to watch from the shore. It's a threat that will rewrite maps and lives. So, what's next? The Atlantic hurricane season, which runs through November 30th, is only getting started. With Erin's intensification and the growing frequency of Category 5 storms, one question lingers. Are we underestimating the power of hurricanes in a changing climate? Or are we witnessing a new normal? The answers might just reshape how we prepare for the future.